Hi everybody, so welcome back to the lesson 3. The first Hanzi we are going to learn means up, above, or attend. What is it? The answer is 上. Okay, so let's look at the shape of this character. Actually, you can see the ancient versions for these characters. And it draws a longer horizontal line to indicate the ground or the earth, and a shorter horizontal line to indicate the objects above it, and also use a vertical line to connect the two of them to show the position relationships. So together it means up and above, and later derived to mean attend. Alright, how to read these ones? 上午. Alright, it's morning. And how about this one? 上课 means attend the class or the class begins. And let's look at the stroke videos. Okay, so the second Hanzi, which means 当, below, next, or finish. It is 下. Alright? So you can see the concept and the shape is quite related to the character 上, right? It has a longer horizontal line to indicate the ground as we talk, and a dot to indicate the object below it, and a vertical line to connect the two of them to show the position relationships. So how to read this one? 下午 means afternoon. 下雨 rain falls. Very good. So this is the stroke video for 下. Okay, so let's move on to the third Hanzi of today. It is middle. In Chinese, we say 中 to mean middle. Once again, 中. So let's look at the story for these characters. Actually, in ancient times, the people would place a pole or a flag in the center of their territories. So this character represents the flag in the center of the square to indicate the central position concept, means middle. Okay, how to read these ones? 中国人, right? Chinese person. And this one is 中文 means Chinese language, okay? So let's take a look at the stroke videos for character 中. Let's write it up. How to read these three characters individually? 上 and 下 and 中, right? So here comes more words containing the three characters. 晚上 means evening. 上个星期 last week. 看一下 take a look. 几点下课 means what time does the class end? 中午 noon. 我在学中文 I'm learning Chinese language. Great! So that's all for these lessons. Please do remember to download the material PDF to finish the post-lesson exercises, and you can find the flashcards on the web page. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Bye!